Imagine stepping into a vehicle that costs more than most people's homes, where luxury meets wilderness and power greets elegance. The 2026 Lexus LX isn't just an SUV, it's a statement on wheels. With a starting price pushing past $100,000 and a hybrid power plant pumping out over 400 horsepower, this flagship beast is redefining what it means to travel in absolute comfort while conquering any terrain you dare to challenge. Stick around, because what we're about to reveal about this monster will blow your mind. Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, where we bring you the most comprehensive automotive reviews on the planet. Today, we're diving deep into Lexus's crown jewel, the 2026 LX, a full-size luxury SUV that refuses to compromise on anything. This isn't just another pretty face in the premium segment. This is the vehicle that represents everything Lexus stands for, crafted to perfection and engineered to dominate. Let's talk power first, because that's what gets your heart racing. The LX 600 comes equipped with a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine that delivers 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. But here's where it gets interesting. Lexus also offers the LX 700h hybrid variant that combines that same magnificent engine with electric assistance, boosting total output to 457 horses and a staggering 583 pound-feet of torque. Both powertrains are mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission with full-time four-wheel drive, and both can tow up to 8,000 pounds, making this SUV as capable as it is comfortable. What makes the 2026 LX truly special is its foundation. Built on Toyota's GAF body-on-frame platform, the same architecture that underpins the legendary Land Cruiser, this SUV combines old-school toughness with modern sophistication. The rigid frame structure provides exceptional durability, while double wishbone front suspension and multi-link rear suspension deliver a ride quality that feels more like a luxury sedan than a truck-based beast. Every component has been precisely tuned to deliver what Lexus calls their driving signature, a linear response to every steering input that makes this massive vehicle feel surprisingly agile. Now let's talk about the 5 distinct grades available for 2026. The journey begins with the premium trim starting at $107,950, which already comes loaded with adjustable height suspension, adaptive dampers, 20-inch wheels, keyless entry, LED lighting, a moonroof, and a hands-free power liftgate. Step up to the F-Sport handling trim at $114,950 for the LX 600 or $118,950 for the hybrid, and you get performance-tuned dampers, 22-inch wheels, a unique F-mesh grille with jet black frame, Torset, limited slip differential, and that stunning circuit red interior exclusive to this trim. The luxury trim at $116,950 adds semi-aniline leather, massaging front seats, and a phenomenal 25-speaker Mark Levinson audio system that turns your cabin into a concert hall. For those who crave adventure, the Overtrail grade is exclusively available on the LX 700h, and it means serious business. At $116,685, this trim gives you electronically controlled locking front and rear differentials, massive 33-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch wheels, a front skid plate for rock protection, all-weather floor liners, and a powerful 2,400 watt AC inverter that essentially turns your LX into a mobile power station. The rugged earth exterior color, combined with stone brown semi-aniline leather and black open pore wood trim, creates an atmosphere that's simultaneously tough and luxurious. At the pinnacle sits the ultra-luxury trim at $142,450, available only as a 4-seater with second-row captain's chairs that massage your passengers, dedicated climate and audio controls for rear occupants, curved headrests, and special air. Conditioning vents in the roof for maximum comfort. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology in spectacular fashion. Every 2026 LX features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 7-inch touchscreen dedicated to climate controls. The Lexus interface software responds instantly to commands, and wireless phone charging keeps your devices powered up. Higher trims offer that aforementioned Mark Levinson premium audio system with 25 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin, creating an immersive 3-dimensional soundscape. The quilted leather upholstery, leather-wrapped dashboard, and wood trim elements combine to create an environment that feels more like a private jet than an automobile. Safety is paramount, which is why every 2026 LX now comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3-point. This comprehensive suite includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian and bicyclist detection, automatic emergency braking with emergency steering assist, adaptive cruise control with curve speed management, lane centering steering, lane departure alert with steering assist, left turn oncoming, traffic detection with automatic braking, road sign recognition, automatic high beams, blind spot monitors, front and rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors on both ends, traffic jam assist, driver attention monitor, and a 360-degree camera system. The head-up display, now standard across the lineup, projects crucial information directly onto the windshield, so your eyes never leave the road. New for 2026 is the F-Sport Appearance Package, available exclusively for the LX 700 HF Sport Handling grade. This package adds color-keyed bumper accents front and rear, black side mirror caps, black rear sport winglets, and color-matched running board trim, giving the already aggressive SUV an even more commanding presence. The Overt also gets a fresh manganese luster paint option that perfectly complements its adventurous character. The 2026 Lexus LX represents the absolute pinnacle of what a luxury SUV can be, combining Japanese craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, genuine off-road capability, and refinement that few competitors can match. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising highways, or exploring remote wilderness, this flagship delivers an experience that justifies every dollar of its premium price tag. This is Gravity Automotive, and we'll catch you in the next review.